everyone, so we are going to Nazareth. That's why, as you can see, I am all dressed modest, not showing the shoulders or knees. That's why I'm wearing the pants. And yeah, we're going via bus. It's an hour bus from Tel Aviv, so we already bought a card. What do you call it more? Like a bus card?
Yeah.
That you can load. And you know, like that's the thing that they are using here. They're not using any money. So yeah, you have to buy the card to get around Israel via bus or train. So see you soon. First, we're gonna have a breakfast here in Serrano Market. So we have the rotisserie chicken club. So, you know, just a classic Pinoy meal, a Filipino meal, chicken, vegetable, and rice. Alright, so we're done eating and now we're heading to the bus station to get to the Nazareth. And I think it's 2 hours, 2 hours bus, right? 2 hours or less than that, it depends. We also bought baklava for dessert. So yeah, like this area is called the Europe Center. Maybe because of these buildings, I don't know, or maybe the architecture is made based on Europe or something like that. We are now here on the bus station. So if you're coming from Tel Aviv and you wanted to go to Nazareth, you go for 8 or 26 bus station. So this is that bus station. So we're gonna wait for our bus to come here. They said that it's gonna be here 2:29 p.m. and it's already 2:28. Not sure if you can see that. So yeah, I'm so excited for Nazareth. So this is the bus card that I'm talking about, and now we are here in the bus station. Oh my gosh, I'm in the bus station, in the bus. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for the Nazareth. Okay, it's gonna be 2 hours, I guess, or less than that. So see you soon. We are now here in Nazareth, Israel, and we're going to the Church of Annunciation. I'm not sure if that's right. So it's a 20-minute walk from the bus stop, and yeah, we're kind of excited. Look at the Nazareth. So nice, right? Oh my gosh, I think I can see some church up there. So yeah, it's a 2 hours or more bus going here from Tel Aviv. And by the way, for the card, you can purchase it at Super Pharma in Tel Aviv for 5 shekels, and then you can. Oh my gosh, I think I can see some. And then you can load it for how much you want. But going here, if I'm not mistaken, from Tel Aviv, I think it's 36 shekels for 2 of us. We are now on the Church of Annunciation, if I'm not mistaken, that's it. And yeah, it's really so nice. Oh my gosh, like we're go. So again, this is just 2 hours away from Tel Aviv. So you can ride a bus going here. So there's I love Nazareth, and then there's that Nazareth village. Oh my gosh, like it's just so freaking nice. We're going there, but first we're gonna have a coffee break because we're kind of thirsty. But yeah, this is Church of Annunciation. It's so freaking nice.
$5 5 شال شال
Wow, lovely.
يعطيه الاغراض
Carl on time.
Wow. Can you press the button? So we are now inside of that church and it's so nice.
Maybe I'd get this. All the people touching the hand. It's worn off the paint.
I think Lovey, the video ends inside because it should be silent.
You wanna go in?
Maybe later. I'll take a video of this first. Wow, this is such a nice church. This one is the Saint Joseph Church, and I think it's closed.
You are Franciscan?
You know, like we asked him if we can go in there, but he said no. So I think it's closed already. But yeah, that's it. And then now we're heading to Mary's Well. This is the Mary's Well. Yeah, I think it's like a historical site, and it's also free, so it's open to public. So there's a lot of people actually, as you can see there. No, yeah, so it's just a few minutes walk away from the Church of Annunciation, and yeah, so you can just walk here. It's open for public once again, and it's free. And yeah, it's nice. All right, we're heading to Greek Orthodox. No, it's a Saint Gabriel Greek Orthodox of Annunciation, if I am not mistaken. Wow, oh, so it's under renovation. Nice. Look at this place. Ah, it's under renovation.
In the middle of water, but
Go. There is this old cemetery for Muslim. And it's a
do you want to talk to it while I film?
cemetery. No, it's okay. The old Islamic cemetery. That one. Nice, right? Yeah, I think I like Nazareth, lovely. How about you? You
For the win.
right?
Yeah. Old feel.
So you're in an old city or something. Look at the walls. So nice. So yeah, it was just actually a quick trip. I wish we could have done this at in the morning, but unfortunately we tried to go here around noon, so we arrived here around 5 p.m. So unfortunately, but I think there is nothing, like there's just a few things to do or to see in Nazareth. Nazareth is just a small city. It's really nice. Let's go on this. Okay. Right? Oh, look at that. But yeah, it's kind of giving me Cusco, Peru vibes. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this video, and we're gonna head back to Tel Aviv. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media. Once again, this is Saz reminding you to stay golden.